Hello, and thank you for joining us today. This is Brett Haase with Utopia Solutions, and we are talking about the 9 test automation development principles. Today, we are focusing on principle 1, which is estimate appropriately and practice the 80-20 rule. Practicing the 80-20 rule, it means leaving 20% of your sprint time open to handle variances in your development effort from the initial estimates, but also to handle defects. Yes, defects happen. That may come up during your sprint. You want to have that 20% of your time available to handle that stuff. But in order to get there, you got to get estimation right. And to get estimation right, you should really use a system like the t-shirt sizing method, which basically says, what does it feel like to build an automation deliverable? Does it feel like a small effort, a medium effort, a large effort, an extra large effort? And it's important to have everyone on your team that touches that automation functionality, that QA, stakeholders, people who own the test functionality, and your development team, they all need to come back with their estimates of what they think the effort level is going to be. And the reason for that is you might find wild differences in the different estimates. Your development team member may say, oh, this is a small effort because it's quick to develop, but your QA team member may say the data setup for this is very complex, and they may come back with an extra large, and your dev team member may have a small. But it's important to understand why those differences exist so you can get to an appropriate estimate. And getting everyone talking about all of this is just very, very helpful in the project overall. Automation isn't just magic. Using these principles is going to help you facilitate better test automation development projects. I thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned. Principle number 2, ensure user stakeholder involvement. Thank you for joining us from Utopia Solutions. This is Brett Haase. See you next time.